every single week you do the same task. You paste your messy meeting notes into AI, and then you spend 5 minutes re-explaining exactly how you want them cleaned up again and again. Here's how to teach Perplexity the whole job one time, and from then on, it's just one word to remind it of the whole workflow. And ChatGPT and Claude can do this too. It's called skills, which Perplexity, which is what we're using in this case, ChatGPT and Claude all have. And I'll show you where you can find them in the other AIs at the end. So we're inside of Perplexity here, and Perplexity has Perplexity Computer. I'm on the Pro, which is about 20 a month, but it gives you credits. And the beautiful thing about Perplexity is you can work with different AI models. So Claude's highest end models, ChatGPT's, even Grok's, and call them up and work with them. You can even orchestrate many AI models to tackle one question at the same time and compare and contrast each other, which is pretty cool. So all we're going to do is have computer selected, and then I'm simply going to give it a prompt, create a skill called recap. When I run it and paste my raw meeting notes, do this every time, and I explain everything it should do. Always format it the same way. Action items first, open questions second, the email draft last. Keep it tight, no filler. So now I just hit send, and it's loading the skill creation skill, which most of these AI platforms have. And while that loads, I'll just show you what this looks like and where you can find it in ChatGPT or Claude. So in Claude, if you go to the sidebar, you can find customize. And if you click on that, then you can see a variety of skills, and you can go ahead and click on add and then create with Claude, or write skill instructions, or even upload a skill as a zip file. So lots of options. If you do create with Claude, you literally prompt it like we just did there and it'll create the skill, or you can manually do it. You could even download your skills from one AI as zip files and transfer them or upload them also as markdown files. But anyway, transfer and upload them to a different AI. And then in ChatGPT, believe it or not, they also have skills finally. So if you go to plugins on the left, which is where you can connect different apps, you can see next to plugins at the top are skills. So you can make a skill in ChatGPT to make it extremely capable and store a workflow and process for repeatable tasks, and to make it very good at anything, very skilled at it. That is the deal. You can do the same thing, I think, in Grok as well, but in this case, we're demoing Perplexity. So the recap skill is saved to my library. Next time you paste raw meeting notes, all I have to say is recap. So I could literally copy and paste those notes on the bottom here, and then I could do /recap and then select it. And now it's selected. So let's just verify it's there by going to the sidebar. Let me open that up. Going to customize, and then going over to skills here. And let's see, look at all these skills we have. And we are just going to search it up right at the top here and search up recap. And there it is. And we can click on that. And it has the full instructions here that it follows. We can try it in chat. I can hit the 3 dots and I can download it. As you can see, it's an MD. I can replace it with a new one, edit it in chat, edit it directly on my own manually here, or just delete it. I can even share it too. And there's a little about on the left. So you teach it once and it's a / command forever. And this same move works for a weekly client status email or turning rough notes into a proposal outline. And I also showed you how you could do this in ChatGPT or Claude as well. So go ahead and pick your most repeated task, explain it to AI, and have it turn it into a skill.